Hey guys, so I just got back from school. I have to go back, but I do have a free 4th hour. So I come home, have lunch, I edit, I let my dog out. I just let Toby outside. He's right there. He has his little electric collar on. And for lunch, I am making some mac and cheese. So right now I'm boiling the water. I'm making the Annie's macaroni and cheese yummier than ever. And I'm actually sick a little bit. I know it probably doesn't sound like it, but anyways, I took Dayquil and I got sick because of my senior retreat. I barely vlogged. I was planning on vlogging, but it was just so busy. I didn't want to annoy anyone either. So here are some clips from that. That was Sunday overnight, and then we went home Monday. So it's Wednesday now, and yeah, I'm just making some lunch. I'm kind of behind on videos. That was because I had a couple rough, actually it was just rough yesterday, but I'm all good now. We're back on the grind, we're back feeling great, and I didn't even upload on Monday or Tuesday. I've been kind of stressed out about videos and stuff, and I just need to prioritize things, but everything's great now, and I'm really excited to get back on the YouTube grind. So first, I'm just gonna say thank you to Smile Direct for sponsoring this video. And I just wanna say that I have had braces. I used to have really messed up teeth, but if I would have known about this when I had messed up teeth, I would have loved this. So if you are insecure about your teeth and you're looking for something, listen up, because this is definitely for you. And my mom has been insecure about this like one tooth that kind of like sticks. Oh my gosh. It kind of like sticks out, and she's just been insecure about it for a long time. And so I am surprising her. Well, not really surprising because she already knew about it. They hooked this up for my mom, and she's really, really excited about it. Before I show the clips of me surprising her, which was last night, visit the link in the description with my promo code, which is down there as well. So basically what Smile Direct does is they deliver invisible aligners to your doorstep at a price that's 60% less than other teeth straightening options. So if you've been wanting to do this, if you're going back to school, if you have any other events that are coming up, and this is like the first time you're hearing about this and you want to try it out, my promo code is just HannahMeloche. And if you want to use that, then just go to the link in the description and you can get 50% off of your impression kit, or you can do a free scan at one of your Smile Shop locations. So thank you, Smile Direct, for helping my mom out, and hopefully this helps some of you guys if you're interested in checking it out. But I'm gonna insert the clips of me surprising my mom. Mom, come here.
What's up?
Come here. I feel so fake doing this because you already know about it. Okay, so I was supposed to surprise mom with the smile stuff, but I got too excited and told her, so she already knows what it is. But she hasn't opened it up. Okay, go ahead. Open for a lifetime supply of confidence, it said.
It's cute. Didn't I always say I was gonna give you guys two things? One, good teeth, because it gives confidence, and two, the ability to sleep anywhere.
Oh my god, I literally can sleep anywhere.
That is just so important. Okay.
You should take a before picture and then you should post an after picture. God, that hurted.
Oh, there's more.
Are you excited to get rid of your tooth? Are you excited?
Yes, I did. I had braces when I was younger. It was 20-some years ago, and then my teeth kind of moved around on me. So yes, I'm very excited. Thank you.
I'm so. You literally can't even see.
That one tooth?
Not really.
Non-sponsored, just kidding, actually.
That one tooth just...
I can see a little bit, but it's not bad.
It's really not that bad. But it's still,
I can see how it bothers me.
Yeah. So I don't make food a lot, but we're just gonna see how this goes. So it's boiling. Little mister was waiting at the back door for me. I thought he ran away. He didn't run away because he has his collar on, but. Okay. Oh my gosh, I swear to God, that alarm. Okay, so the water is boiling. My hair just looks so disgusting. Ew! What the? So we're gonna turn this off, and then we have to pour it into here. And then in our warm saucepan, we add some butter to make it extra tasty. 1/4 of a cup. We turn it back on, and we add the cheese, and then we stir to combine all of this. Okay, now we're gonna add this stuff back into our saucepan. This takes so long to make. I got home at 11, and it's almost 11:20, but that's minus the vlogging and minus taking care of my dog. So we're doing pretty good. I still have about an hour to edit, and then actually like probably 45 minutes to edit after I go and eat. And now we are done. Ta-da! I am so proud of myself because I was in like a funk yesterday and Monday because I just What is this reminder for? Oh, this is my reminder to go to my appointment. Anyways, I uploaded a main channel video and it was a driving to see my boyfriend video that I filmed over the weekend because I went and visited Jacob. I feel like you guys are more familiar with him over here on the vlog channel, and you can literally only see my lips moving, but I'm sorry, I'm not gonna try and fix that right now. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day. I am honestly having a very good, productive day. Even though I'm sick, you just gotta keep going and keep telling yourself it's okay. But I am in the groove now. I'm so motivated and I'm so excited. I'm gonna get my freaking eyelashes done. These are my eyelashes before, and I'll talk to you guys later. Ow, I just got bit by a mosquito. Hey guys, I'm home. I got my eyelashes done. Shout out to Urban U. Love you. Hi, baby. Hi. Let's go. I'm home. Hi. Come here. Yeah, it's on your foot, Bubba. Hey, look it. Do you want to go inside? Do you want a treat? Oh, let's go get a treat. Come on. I swear if that alarm says up. Okay. Oh no.
I woke up early in the morning just to feel the light of day. Had to open up my window, get the shade.